The Industrial Revolution was a super important time in history. It happened between the late 1700s and early 1800s in places like Britain, Europe, and the United States. Before this period, people mostly worked on farms or made things by hand at home. But during the Industrial Revolution, everything changed. Let's imagine it like this. People were inventing amazing new machines to help them do work faster and easier. It was like having a superhero in the factory. These machines could do the job of many people all by themselves. This meant that instead of working in fields or small home workshops, lots of people began to work in big factories. One of the coolest inventions was the steam engine. Imagine a giant kettle that could power big machines just by using steam. This invention was a game changer because it meant factories could be built anywhere, not just near rivers. Steam engines were used to power trains too, which made traveling and transporting goods much faster and easier. During the Industrial Revolution, many people moved from the countryside to towns and cities to work in these factories. This was a big change because it meant cities got bigger and busier. Some famous inventions during this time were the spinning jenny, which spun yarn super fast, and the power loom, which wove cloth really quickly. These inventions helped make cloth and clothing much cheaper and easier to get. There were also some things about the Industrial Revolution that weren't so great. Many factory workers, including children, had to work really long hours in difficult and sometimes dangerous conditions. But over time, people realized this needed to change, and new laws were created to protect workers. Overall, the Industrial Revolution transformed the way people lived and worked, paving the way for the modern world we live in today. Factories, railways, and new inventions proved that human creativity could make life easier, but also taught us the importance of fairness and safety in the workplace.